1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to PEMDAS rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, right? Exponents are numbers that are written on top of another number, and then after we solve exponent, we have to solve multiplication or division, and then finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. Here is where most people get wrong. Multiplication and division have equal priority, right? So they are priority number 3, and they have equal weight to solve an equation, right? So if we encounter multiplication and division, we have to solve the problem left to right, right? So that is what we are going to do, and we have to solve the equation whichever comes first. If division comes before multiplication, we have to solve division, and if multiplication comes before division, we have to solve multiplication. So that is the rule we need to understand in order to solve mathematical equation like this correctly. So here we have parentheses, and of course we have to do the operation inside the parentheses first. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and the problem becomes 18 divided by 3 times 2. So now we have to do the division. Not division has a higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes before multiplication, and since they have equal priority, we have to solve the problem left to right. So that is it. So 18 divided by 3 gives us 6, and 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So the final answer to this question is 12.